Hello guys, welcome to new exciting After Effects tutorial. Today we are going to create advanced alien liquid text animation. You can use this animation as titles or intro. So let's have a look what we are going to make. Start with new comp and choose 1080p resolution and time 15 seconds. Import the PNG text file. You can also use text if you want, but I'm using PNG image. Press S to scale the image size. Left click on the layer and pre-compose. Let's name it logo. Create a circle shape. Make sure that fill is white and stroke is selected to none. Hold Shift and drag to create a perfect circle. Now add turbulent displacement to the layer, and change the setting as shown here. Now animate the scale. At start put value to 0, go to 10 seconds and scale till it cover the whole screen. Now change the logo comp mode to alpha matte. You can click on toggle switches to switch between settings. Now select the shape layer and pre-compose it. Now select both the layers and pre-compose and name it as Logo Comp 1. Duplicate the comp, and change the second layer to alpha inverted matte and drag it like this. Add simple choker effect on first layer and put value -2. Select both the layers, pre-compose and name it Logo Comp 2. Go to Project window, select Shape Layer Comp 1 and drag it over Logo Comp 2. Change the Logo Comp 2 matte to alpha inverted matte. Drag shape layer a little bit. Select both layers and pre-compose it. Name it Logo Comp 3. Now create new composition. Let's name it Particular. Drag Logo Comp 3 to this comp. Add new solid. Name it Particular. Add particular effect on the solid layer and change the setting as shown here. Now add one more solid layer. Name it Dust Particle. Add particular effect on it and change the settings as shown. Add a new adjustment layer, add curves on and change the contrast if you want. Now go to Comp 1 or the main comp, hide the logo Comp 3. Now go to Project window and drag the particles comp over it. Add new solid, name it background. Drag to the down and add gradient ramp effect. Change the ramp shape to radial, and select the color you want. Now drag logo Comp 1 just under particles Comp. Select both layers, pre-compose and name it as Final. You can animate the scale if you want, here I'm animating a little bit. And this how easily you can create such cool effects.